Okay, so today I get to chat with Serena Barton, oil and cold wax artist from Portland, Oregon. She's going to be leading a workshop for us again this year in Tuscany from October the 2nd through the 11th, departing on the 12th. Serena, tell us a little bit about the workshop and the surroundings, what's included.
Well, the surroundings are incredibly beautiful. I think it's my favorite place that I've ever been. We're going to be staying in an area that is a World Heritage Site on a working olive farm in a beautiful, large, restored farmhouse. You'll have your own quarters shared with one other person and your own bathroom. The food is all provided and it is fantastic. Beverages are also provided, wine in the afternoon and with dinner is provided. So really you don't have to worry about anything. The only time you'll buy your meals is when we're out on a jaunt and you get to stop at a local restaurant, and those are always delicious too. So our schedule is going to be a combination of intensive painting and fun and incredible day trips where we go to local villages and hill towns, and we kind of get to decide on some of those options, but we get to see the area around where we're staying, and it'll give you lots of opportunities to soak up the atmosphere and to take pictures that may inspire your work.
Are the accommodations nice?
They are great.
Perfect. So, Serena, I'm not an abstract artist. I'm more representational. How's that going to work for me?
Well, that can work fine. I've had students who are representational artists, but they like the opportunity to keep in the representational mode, but use the unique processes of oil and cold wax to help them loosen up so that they end up with a recognizable images, but they are more abstract and lively.
Will I finish some things while I'm there?
Yes, you will finish, and I can help you do that if you like, because there are lots of places along the life of a painting where it could move into a finish mode, and I always think it's nice to be able to take some finished things home and to take some things to work on.